Hello, another AQA A-level physics question on the mechanics topic. If you hit the information card up here, you can choose a different question from the same topic. Okay, if you want to try and do this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer C, well done. If you want to hear a little bit me talking about couples, keep listening. Which statement about a couple is not true? Well, what is a couple? A couple is a pair of forces that are parallel to each other but moving in the opposite direction, and they produce rotational moment. So real keywords here: parallel but in opposite directions. So it must consist of coplanar forces. Yeah, they couldn't be if they were in different planes, they couldn't be parallel to each other. So that is true. It can produce rotational moment. Yeah, absolutely, it can produce rotational moment. It can produce translational moment. Translational moment. No, that would mean that bar would be moving upwards or sideways. No, it can produce rotational, but not translational moment. It has the units of Newton meters. Yeah, absolutely. The couple is just a moment. So yes, the units of moment are force multiplied by a distance. So that is true as well. So the only one that isn't true is C. If you found this useful, hit that subscribe button please, give me a like, share with your friends and watch more in the series.